In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create resumes in Visme. Crafting a standout resume is essential for making a great first impression in the job market, and Visme offers versatile and visually appealing tools to help you accomplish just that. Let's dive into how you can create a professional resume step by step using Visme. First, you'll need to navigate to the Resume Maker. Begin by opening Visme and logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you have two main avenues to access the Resume Maker. Visme has a dedicated page specifically for resumes, so you can head there directly. Alternatively, you can get to it by clicking on Create, followed by Project, then Documents, and finally selecting the Resume category from the options provided. Both pathways will lead you to the same fantastic set of tools. Next, let's choose a template that aligns with your industry or personal style. Visme presents over 40 templates catering to a wide range of professions and styles. For example, if you're in the creative field, a graphic designer resume template might appeal to you. For those interested in incorporating visual elements to make information pop, Visme also offers infographic resume templates. This reflects beautifully, especially if you want to showcase skills and achievements in a visually engaging manner. Now that you've selected your ideal template, or maybe opted for an AI-generated option, let's proceed to customize your resume using the Visme editor. This editor is quite intuitive and user-friendly. Start by editing the text fields. You'll want to input your personal details, such as your name and contact information, and succinctly outline a summary that captures your professional persona. Then, move on to detailing your work experience, education, and skills. Visme's editor also allows you to tailor the design aesthetics to match your personal brand or the vibe of the company you're targeting. This means you can modify fonts, colors, and styles, making your resume not only professional, but also unique to you. At this step, think about continuity. If your job applications require a certain color scheme or font style, keep that consistent for a cohesive look across your professional documents. Furthermore, consider enhancing your resume with some visual elements. Visme provides a vast library of icons and images that you can incorporate to draw attention to key areas of your resume. Icons can be great for breaking up text or highlighting skills and achievements, adding a creative flair without overwhelming the content. With these steps, you have all the tools you need to create a compelling and visually impressive resume using Visme. Remember to save your work as you go along, and don't be afraid to experiment a little until you find the perfect balance that best represents you. Happy creating, and best of luck in your job search.